Stage 1. Core WordPress Mastery. Front-end Foundation. Goal: be able to design, manage, and customize WordPress websites confidently. Learn WordPress dashboard deeply. Users, posts, pages, menus, settings. Elementor or Gutenberg. Page Builder. WordPress themes. Install, customize. Child themes. SEO plugins. Yoast, rank math, speed optimization, Lightspeed, WP Rocket, security plugins, WordFence, themes, basic backup and migration, practice project. Build a full website for a small business or church using Elementor and custom design. Web foundations. Goal: understand the building blocks of every website. Learn HTML5 for structure, CSS3 for styling, responsive design, basic SEO structure, why it matters. Everything in WordPress, from themes to page builders, depends on clean and semantic HTML and CSS tools, VS Code, Chrome DevTools, Netlify Playground. Stage 2. Web Basics. Languages every developer must know. Goal: start writing and reading code, not just using drag and drop. Learn HTML, structure of a web page, CSS, styling, spacing, colors, and layouts, JavaScript basics, interactivity, buttons, animations, PHP basics, WordPress's main backend language, practice project, create a simple HTML and CSS landing page and host it. Add some JavaScript, like a button that changes text. Edit a PHP file in your WordPress theme, such as changing footer text manually. WordPress front-end mastery. Goal: build and customize websites confidently with WordPress. Learn WordPress dashboard and structure, theme customization, Astra, Blocksy, Hello Elementor, Elementor or Gutenberg page design, plugins, widgets, menus, pages, why it matters. This makes you job-ready as a WordPress implementer. Tools: local WP XAMPP Elementor, Blocksy theme. Stage 3. WordPress backend. Dynamic logic and data. Goal: understand the engine behind WordPress. Learn WordPress architecture, how files and databases connect. The functions.php file. Your power zone. WordPress hooks, actions and filters. WP query. Fetching posts dynamically. Shortcodes, custom post types, user roles and permissions. Practice project. Build a team members or testimonials section using a custom post type. Core PHP and MySQL. Goal: move from front-end designer to back-end problem solver. Learn PHP syntax and loops, working with forms and databases, CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete. WordPress functions.php basics. Why it matters. WordPress is built on PHP and MySQL. This unlocks the back-end side of plugins and dynamic features. Tools: XAMPP, PHPMI admin, Sublime Text. Stage 4. Plugin development. Goal: create your own plugin and make it work like a pro. Learn plugin structure, plugin name.php, headers, activation, using WordPress hooks inside plugins, adding settings pages to your plugin, using the WordPress REST API. Practice project. Create a custom WhatsApp chat plugin that lets users enter their phone number and message in the settings. Plugin and theme development. Goal: create your own WordPress plugins and child themes. Learn WordPress hooks, actions, and filters, creating custom shortcodes, WP REST API basics, enqueuing scripts and styles properly. Why it matters. This is where you become a developer, not just a site builder. Tools: WP CLI, GitHub, Visual Studio Code. Stage 5. Server and deployment skills. Goal: be comfortable managing hosting, domains, and emails like you're already doing. Learn DNS, name servers, and MX records. Email: SMTP, IMAP, PHP mail, FTP and file manager. Database management, PHPMI admin and backups, cron jobs and site automation, staging versus production environments. Practice project. Move a website manually from local host to live server. JavaScript and API integration. Goal: Make your WordPress sites more dynamic and interactive. Learn Vanilla JSES6 syntax, fetching APIs and JSON, using the WordPress REST API, AJAX in WordPress. Why it matters. Modern plugins, dashboards, and front-end effects rely on JS and API logic. Tools: Postman, VS Code, Browser Console, Stage 6, API integration and automation. Goal: connect WordPress with other systems or services. Learn what APIs are and how they work. REST API calls, get and post, integrate third-party APIs such as Paystack, CallMeBot, and WhatsApp API. Using WP Remote Get and WP Remote Post. Practice project. Connect your site with Paystack and display payment status inside WordPress. Hosting, deployment, and security. Goal: manage domains, hosting, and WordPress servers like a pro. Learn cPanel and TrueHost DNS management, backups, SSL, and mail SMTP setup, site migration and optimization, Lightspeed and Cloudflare, website security, WordFence, and Malcare. Why it matters. Every full-stack WordPress developer must know how to deploy, secure, and maintain websites. Tools: TrueHost, OLET, Cloudflare, Updraft Plus. Stage 7, professional development. Goal: build a career or freelance confidently. Learn Git and GitHub for version control, how to deploy using panel or SSH, client communication and documentation, website maintenance plans, freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, building a developer portfolio website showcasing your projects. Practice project: create your portfolio site, freelancing and career growth. Goal: build a personal brand and earn as a full-stack WordPress developer. Learn GitHub and portfolio creation, LinkedIn and Upwork optimization, communication and client handling skills, creating documentation for projects. Why it matters. You're not just learning code, you're building a business around your skill. Tools: GitHub, Canva, Google Docs, Notion.